We place the LED modules in the positioning area to create the program. Push to stop position. Click on line modulation. Click on the left and right fixing first, then on the front and back fixing. We then write the program using the controller. Click to reset first. After clicking on the reset, the machine moves to the home position. First, click on File Management. Then click New. Then click OK. Then click on I/O part. Click Output I/O. Click Output IOR Open. Then click OK. Then click on Straight Line. Then manually press the arrow keys to move the working head. Directional keys with X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis with 3 stops for speed, low speed, medium speed, high speed. When moving the working head down the Z-axis, set the speed to low. When moving, check speed and direction first. Z-axis movement, you can tap it, don't hold it long. When selecting a speed, the current speed is indicated here. Very slow movement at low speeds. Working head starting position in the first row of LEDs. The glue nozzle is the same width as the LED height, or lower. Position of the glue nozzle set in the middle area of the two LEDs. When lowering the Z-axis of the working head, set low speed and move slowly. When the working head has moved to the starting position of the glue, click on OK in the controller. The working head is then moved to the end point of the LED module. Move directly to the end. Move to the end position and we click OK. Then click on I/O. Click Output I/O. Click Output I/O 3 to open. Then click OK. Then click Delay. Set 500, then click OK. Click OK. Then click again on I/O. Then click on Output I/O. Then click on Output I/O 3 and select Close. OK. Then select Single Point. To prevent the glue nozzles from colliding, first move the Z-axis of the working head upwards. The working head is then moved to the discharge glue position. At the location where the glue is discharged, there is a container below to receive the glue. Go to the glue dream position and then click OK. Single point is not required to drain the glue, we need to return to modify it. Then, click this OK to make the changes. Then, click Off, which means no glue will come out. Then, click OK. Then, click Save. We are now done with this program. We can check to see if our programming has been done properly. The machine program is finished, and then we click Reset. Then, on the machine side, fix the LED modules left and right and front and back and click Off. We take out the LED modules and place them at the entrance of the machine. Then, click Back. Then, click on the line switch and the machine will run as programmed. If you are still not sure how to program a machine, watch more videos on how to do it and audio descriptions. Watch the video to see how it works.